Hello, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function, which is bitand. So what bitand function will do? It takes two argument and then it will convert those value in a backend. It will convert those value into binary and then bitwise bit it perform the AND operation and returns the output in decimal. Okay, so what exactly it is doing? It is performing the bitwise AND operation. Okay, so let me show you one table on which we are using this bit and operation. So select star from Sharmit 1 slash table 2. This time we are using table 2, not the table 1. Enter. So here you can see there we have two column. First one is ID, second one is value 1 and value 2. So let's say I want to perform bitwise AND operation on these values one by one. Okay, so in that case we can utilize this bitand function. So let's see how we are utilizing this function inside SQLRPGLE program. So what we are doing here, first of all, we are declaring one constant variable which is SQL state underscore valid with 5 times zeros. Okay, and then we have three variable result1, result2 and result3. So these three variable we are going to use to store the output that we are getting from the query. Then we are setting the commit equals to star none. This is an optional thing because we are not modifying anything to the table. So if you want, you can skip these things. Then we are using the main query. So in main query, what I'm doing, I'm writing like this: exec SQL, which is execute SQL, select value 1, comma value 2, comma. So why I'm using this comma? Because this bit end will also return some value. Okay, and we are taking it into the host variable, so that's why there is it is mandatory to keep this comma. Then I'm using the function which is bitand. It will accept two arguments. So first argument I am passing here is value 1 and second argument I am passing here is value 2. Then I am receiving this value into result 1, result 2 and result 3 host variable. Okay, so this is how we can utilize three host variable in a single query. After that, from what we are doing, like we are retrieving this data from Sharmit 1 slash table 2. Fetch first one row only. So this operation will be performed only on the first row of that table, not on the entire column. We will see like how we can perform it over the entire column on a normal query, but because as of now we are just doing performing it on for a single column itself. Okay, single row, not the column, single row. Okay, so once this query is executed, I hope it is clear because the syntax is quite simple. You just need to write bit and then inside a parenthesis you can pass two argument, value 1 and value 2, and then it will perform the bitwise AND operation. So after this query is executed, we will check if SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid. Then we are printing the all three variables: result 1, result 2 and result 3. Else we are printing the SQL state along with an error message: query ended with an error and def INLR on. Okay, so let's quickly compile this program and call this program. So output is 1, 1 and 1. So this third one is the bitwise AND operation result for this 1 and 1. Okay, all right, so let's see how we can utilize this for the entire column if we want to implement this over the DB2 query. So what I will do here, I will write this simple query: select star from Sharmit 1 slash table 2. Then I will take F4, go for select field, press F4, select your columns on which you want to perform. Then I will write my function name, which is bitand parenthesis. Again I will select two columns, 1 and 1. Then I will put parenthesis close. Okay, then simply hit enter. So you can see firstly it is printing the value 1, then value 2, and then this is the bitand result. So if you perform 1 and 1 bitand, it will return 1, 1 on 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0 and 0 and 1, 0. So what is it is actually doing? It is converting these things into binary, then like this, and then it performs the bitwise AND operation, and then it is returning the output. And right now we are printing it in decimal. Okay, So this is how we can utilize bitand function in order to perform bitwise AND operation. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.